Okay, so I just, we'll start with a free website here. So I just Googled Florida court rules, and the first website that came up was this Florida Bar. So that is obviously a trustworthy website. So on their website here, we have rules of civil procedure, which sounds about right. And this general practice, that's like for court administration. I clicked on it and figured that out. So I now know that. Now, so we're in the official version of the Florida court rules, or as they're called, the Florida Rules of Civil Procedure. And so I'm just going to search on the screen. Again, I just do Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac, and we'll look for venue here. And so here's a section, Rule 1.060, Transfers of Actions. And okay, if it should appear at any time that an action is pending. So go ahead and pause the screen, and I'm going to pause the video and read. So this first section is for change of venue within the same county. This is, change of venue within or from one county to the next. And they both reference this 1.170J, so we'll need to check that out as well. Now, there's nothing here that talks about if the court transfers the action. There's nothing that talks about getting attorney's fees. So let's go read that 1.170. So I'll just scroll down to that. Well, I wonder if this will take us, but let's just go down here. Okay, and I found 1.170J, but it does not say anything about attorney fees. So let me show you something. Let's switch gears a little bit, and now let's look in this document for attorney fees. So we'll just type in here attorney fees. And you can see here that there's just one instance of attorney fee, okay? So just park that in your brain for a minute, and now let's go research this on Lexis. So if we go here to Florida, and we'll go right to the court rules. So that's codified law, so statutes, legislation, Florida court rules. So I'll just put a little checkbox here and then search for change of venue and attorney fees. And now I'm going to search, see what we got. Now, right away, I see this 1.060 transfer of actions. We found that one before. Didn't say anything about attorney fees. We're not seeing anything here. Okay, so there's nothing new here. So let me change the search here and just search for just, say, attorney fees. Okay, remember we did that on the screen on the official website. And let's see what we get here. All right, so I scrolled down quite a bit here, and I found this section here, 1.525, motions for costs and attorney's fees. So do you see how they spelled it here? So when you search on the screen using the official, like here, I'm sorry, this is the official here. When you just search on the screen, this will find only what you're looking for. And we had typed in attorney fees or something like that. It wasn't exactly what was in there, where Lexis and Westlaw, they'll take attorney fees and they'll find everything relevant to that. And that leads us to this motion for costs and attorney fees. So it looks like a party could seek judgment for attorney's fees, but you need to file a motion and do that. So the court rule does not automatically give you the right to attorney fees, but you can ask for that with by making a motion under Rule 1.525. So, technically, no attorney's fees are not available when venue is improper, but they're available anytime. Really, you could ask for them. That doesn't mean you're going to get them. I think in a heinous situation where somebody just totally screws up or they did it maliciously or something, the judge would definitely order attorney's fees on motion. So yeah, there's a chance that you could get attorney's fees. So no, the final answer is the judge does not have to order them, but the judge may. All right, see you back in the book.